Hello, I'm Jeffrey Ham, equity analyst for Briefing.com. Today is Tuesday, January 6th. Stocks were up as much as 1.8% before the latest batch of economic data triggered a round of selling pressure. The major indices were able to finish the seesaw session with market gains, but off their session highs. November factory orders fell 4.6%. They were expected to decline 2.3% after falling 6% in October. November home sales were down 4% month-over-month, which is worse than the 1% decline that was widely forecast. Sales were down 4.2% in the prior month. Bucking the trend of worse-than-expected data, the December ISM Service Index came in at 40.6, which was better than the consensus estimate of 36.5. The reading was also up from a multi-year low of 37.5 in the prior reading. In other economic news, the minutes from the December 16th Federal Open Market Committee meeting indicated there was a significant contraction in economic activity during the fourth quarter, and downside risk to growth remains. Unemployment is expected to rise significantly into 2010. The FOMC noted it stands ready to expand purchases of agency debt and agency mortgage-backed securities. It is also evaluating the potential benefits of purchasing longer-term treasuries. Stocks slipped in the wake of the announcement, but found support when they tested afternoon lows. The re-emergence of buyers paired with the realization that the FOMC's comments didn't really tell the market anything new helped stocks ascend to their best levels of the afternoon. However, the stock market was unable to eclipse its session high and drifted lower to finish the session with a gain of 0.8%. Cyclical plays were among the strongest performers. Tech topped the other economic sectors by advancing 3% with help from large-cap holdings like Microsoft and Hewlett-Packard. Other large-cap tech names helped the Nasdaq outperform the other headline indices. Materials advanced with help from Mosaic. Mosaic posted better than expected quarterly earnings results, but ran into some selling pressure when it indicated during its conference call it is seeing a tight supply chain. Meanwhile, Dow Chemical indicated it will seek to enforce its rights regarding a failed business agreement with a Kuwaiti petrochemical outfit. Consumer discretionary stocks and industrials also outperformed the broader market. Energy was a leader early on, gaining as much as 3%, but it finished just a 0.5% higher as oil prices paired early gains to close just above the unchanged mark. Oil was up as much as 3.4%. Financials were the only other economic sector to post a gain. Its advance came in the face of a warning from Bank of America Chief Executive Ken Lewis that 2008 results are expected to be below Wall Street's expectations. Bank of America isn't scheduled to announce its quarterly results until later this month. I'm Jeffrey Ham for Briefing.com, and thanks for listening.